What if I told you this is how the pipes in your property look like? What we do at Eco Pipelining, we help people repair their sewer pipes without trenching. Over time, these cast iron pipes, they get holes, cracks, they eventually fail, and people need to keep having a plumber come down, snake the line, or do little repairs. What we do is we would come down to the property, we'll do an initial video, inspect the pipes and see what the stage of the pipes where they're holding. The next stage would be is we would go down to the property and start cleaning the pipes. The more you clean, the better the shape of the pipe will be, and the better it will be going back to the original dimension of the pipe. Next would be lining the pipe and do a final video inspection to make sure that everything's running fine. We use UV to cure the pipes. It gives a 360-degree. We get it from the manufacturer wetted already. We have machinery that the manufacturing company has mixed the product, and then we have UV curing. And you can find us on Instagram, Facebook. Give us a call. You'll be happy with us.